The police have intensified the search for the suspect who shot and killed a police constable, Richard Barrett, in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have stated that they have identified one of the suspects involved in the fatal shooting of a police constable on Wednesday night. The constable Richard Barrett, stationed at the Little London police station, was attacked and shot while he was at a bar in a section of the parish called Chantilly. Sources are reporting that hours after the attack, reports are emerging that detectives are also reviewing CCTV footage captured and believed to be that of one of the attackers. Sources report that the policeman was alone at a bar around 8:50 p.m. which he owns when one man visited the bar and bought a cigarette. The man then left and returned with two other men. One of the men was armed with a firearm. Two of them from the group proceeded to rob Mr. Barrett of cash and other valuables. Reports are that upon leaving the business establishment, one of the men opened fire, hitting Mr. Barrett. The attackers then fled the scene. The police were called to the area and the injured policeman was rushed to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. His licensed firearm was recovered at the scene. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV, and we'll continue to track this story provided with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.